Converting a Figma design into a working web page is slow. Let's see how you can do it in just a few minutes with Workik AI. First, let's preview the Figma design. It's a landing page with a hero, features, testimonials, and pricing. Our goal is to turn this visual design into functional code. We'll use the Workik AI extension directly inside VS Code. To start, we give Workik the Figma design link. To ensure the final web page has the right visuals, we also upload the image assets from the design. This gives the AI all the context it needs. Now, we write a simple prompt. Generate responsive React components with the required CSS for the landing page. Workik immediately starts working on the code. And there it is. Workik generates the code, component by component. It's creating the header, the hero section, and all of the necessary CSS, giving us clean, organized code without any manual effort. Workik doesn't just write components, it helps set up the entire project. We'll now ask it to guide us through the entire project setup, installing all dependencies and generating the files needed to run the application. It provides the commands to install dependencies, generate the package, .json, and create the correct folder structure. It sets up routing in app.js, adds base CSS, and generates key files like index.js and .jitignore. It's automating the complete project setup in seconds. With the setup done, we just run the app. Instantly, we have a running web page. And the navigation links are already working, smoothly scrolling to each section. Now for a quick adjustment. We'll ask Workik to make the hero image a full background. It knows which image to use from the context we provided earlier. We reload the page, and the hero section is now perfect. Next, let's match the section colors from the Figma file. We ask Workik to apply the pink and blue backgrounds. First, it generates the CSS for the pink background. We just click Apply, and Workik writes the code directly into the correct CSS file. It does the same for the How It Works section. After Workik applies both changes, we restart the server, and there it is. The live UI now reflects the new color scheme, perfectly matching the original Figma design. For the final touch, let's make the background black, just like the design. Workik understands this is a global style change and instantly updates our main index CSS file with the correct color variables. With the changes applied by Workik, we'll run the server one last time to see the striking, fully realized web page. Here's the final result, a fully functional, responsive web page that's ready to go. Let's compare it one last time to the original Figma mockup. As you can see, it's a perfect match. Stop coding UI from scratch. Try Workik AI for free.